Have you ever tried to paint a beautiful bright sky, but no matter how hard you tried, the colors just turned into messy, muddy puddle of brown? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today we are going to fix that forever. Welcome to the special mini course. I am Reena, the founder and the artist at Reena's Art Corner. For the last 13 years, I have been teaching amazing kids just like you how to paint like true professionals. Here is a secret. Great artists aren't just good at drawing, they're actually art scientists. And today, I'm going to share one of my favorite science secrets with you. We are going to learn how to mix deep, magical colors to create your own glowing galaxy, completely mud-free. Are you ready to unlock the canvas code? Grab your brushes, put on your invisible lab coats, and let's make some magic.
Whether you are an artist, a beginner, a kid doing this for the first time, or just someone who thought this looked cool online, welcome. All you need is some paint, a canvas, and a little patience. Let's get into it. Every galaxy starts in the deep, dark void of space. We are starting with straight black. Cover the entire canvas. Mix in a little water to the paint if necessary. Don't be shy with it. This is your universe and space is dark. Get into every corner and let it dry just a little before we move on. A solid black base is what's going to make everything else pop later. We are using broad strokes here to set our stage. Now here's where it starts getting fun. Once the canvas is fully dry, I'm going in with brilliant purple right in the corner. This is going to be right next to the heart of our galaxy. Don't rush into it. Take your time. You're creating something beautiful. I'm using a flat brush to lay down these rich colors. Right next to the purple, I'm adding deep violet to build that moody cosmic depth. Don't blend it too much yet. Just get it on there. I'm still using a flat brush to build in some layer. Then we are coming in with ultramarine blue on the edges to pull it all into the darkness. Let these colors bleed into each other a little. That's the look we want. Remember my 3-stroke rule? Keep it fresh and energetic. Don't overwork it yet. Look at the depth starting to form. Okay, this part is so satisfying. Grab a tissue, yes, literally a tissue, and just dab, dab, dab right into those wet colors. This softens everything and creates that glowing nebula effect. You may load up a tissue with a bit of paint and start the dabbing process again. Use soft circular dabs to blend the edges. Note, we aren't scrubbing, we are gently clouding the paint to create that misty, gas-like feel of a real nebula. For the lighter area, mix in a touch of pink and white mixed together on your palette and start applying it to the outer edge. That little warm glow in the middle, that's what gives the galaxy life. Keep dabbing until it looks like something you would see through a telescope. But this time I'm using a brush. Notice how I'm blending the edges softly. Blending is key. See why colors aren't turning into mud? Because we only invited cool friends. In this case, it's our cool colors. Step back and use your blink test. Can you see the focal point forming? You have built a beautiful mud-free foundation. In our next class, we will add the star splatter to finish our masterpiece. See you there.
Look at how beautifully those colors blended together. Do you know why they didn't turn to mud? It's because of a story I like to call the color chameleons. Imagine the color on your palette are at a big party. Some colors are best friends like blue and red. When they dance together on your canvas, they create a beautiful rich purple. They love each other. But some colors are exactly opposite each other, like blue and orange. If you mix them together too much, they cancel each other out and poof, you get mud. In our galaxy painting, we only invited the cool friends to the party. The blues, the pinks and the purples. Because we kept the opposites away from each other, our painting stayed vibrant and alive. You didn't just paint a sky today, you commanded the color wheel.
Welcome back. This video is where the visual magic really happens. You move from a beautiful base to a structured, volumetric composition with planets and the signature star splatter. Now let's build our first planet in the corner. Notice how I'm using a bright aqua green. This creates a color contrast against our deep purple space. Lay it down in a round shape. Then we are blending in purple and then ultramarine blue around the edges to give it dimension. And again dab, dab, dab. Soft edges make it look like it's actually floating in space. Remember, we are again only inviting the cool friends today to keep our painting vibrant and alive. I'm taking in a bit more of ultramarine blue and pink and dabbing and blending them together. Don't leave a hard line. Use a clean brush or a tissue to soften the inner edge. We want it to look like it has an atmosphere that's glowing, not just a flat sticker on the page. To make the planet feel like it truly belongs in this galaxy, we are adding a touch of pink to the edge. This is the color chameleon logic. Sharing colors across the canvas creates harmony and depth. Notice how I'm constantly cleaning and taking off the excess paint on a tissue and going back on the canvas in just circular motions. Let's add a smaller ringed planet further away. In art, smaller objects look more distant. This helps us engineer realism and gives our universe a sense of massive scale. Start with purple, layer on some violet, and then blend ultramarine blue around the rim. Take it slow. The goal is to make it feel massive, like it's halfway off the canvas. See how I'm blending in again? That tension is what makes the composition feel alive. At any point, if you feel the colors have blended in too much, no problem. Just take in a brush or a tissue, put in some more paint and start dabbing and blending in again. I am now using a round brush to create a ring around the planet. Now use a fine liner or a round brush to dot in some individual hero stars. These are our brightest distant suns. Keep your hand steady. This is where your grit and focus pay off. And now the best part. Load up a brush with white paint and splatter. Here I'm using a fan brush. Flick it, tap it, whatever feels right. These are your stars, and there's no wrong way to do it. This creates a natural, chaotic star splatter. It's the fastest way to turn a painting into a living universe. Ta-da! A masterpiece is born. Look at that! You have just engineered a glowing 3D galaxy. Step back, take a look, and remember, you aren't just drawing. You are a visual magician. I can't wait to see your creations.
And there it is. Look at this incredible glowing galaxy. If you followed along with me, I want you to step back, look at your canvas and be so proud of yourself. You just broke the rules of muddy paint and painted like a true professional. But guess what? The color chameleons and the star splatter are just two tiny secrets. There is a whole universe of art magic waiting for you. If you loved creating this today and want to learn how to paint realistic animals, beautiful portraits, and stunning landscapes, I would love to be your creative mentor. Click the link below to enroll in our brand new full online course. We have hours of amazing, fun secrets just like this one waiting for you to discover. Keep your brushes wet, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next class.